Welcome to Recreating Celebrity Outfits Accessory Edition. You could probably already see from the background who is inspiring this first episode in my series. Miss Riri herself. And the accessory that I'm going to be DIYing is this Jacob & Co. watch necklace. Rihanna debuted this watch choker at Pharrell's Louis Vuitton show in Paris, and the internet went crazy, mainly because this Jacob & Co. watch choker retails for $670,000. I'm gonna make mine with a lot cheaper materials. I've been looking on Amazon, gathering different materials to make my choker, and I think I found everything that I needed. So I'm gonna show you all in the next clips what I got to make my choker and start DIYing it. I'm excited to make this. For this DIY, I picked up a pocket watch from Amazon, a pack of gems in different sizes from Amazon, and I used the pencil and the tweezers, and I ended up using gem tack as my glue choice. To start off this DIY, I started adding the rhinestones in a circular pattern, starting with the outermost section of the watch. I continued gluing the rhinestones in a circular pattern. As I got closer to the middle of the watch, I started using smaller rhinestones just to make sure I had enough to cover the surface of the watch. I decided to place a big rhinestone in the middle to finish out the bejeweled design. After finishing my bejeweled watch, it was time to add it to my choker. I decided to put the watch in the middle of the choker, similar to Rihanna's, and I glued it on with my gem tack glue. And here is my finished choker. I am in love with how this turned out. Be sure to follow and subscribe for more content like this. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, and here on YouTube at The Charmaine Marie.